How to switch accounts on Mobile Legends. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to switch accounts on Mobile Legends quickly and easily. Whether you want to log in to different profile or manage multiple accounts, I've got you covered. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first, launch the Mobile Legends app on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. And after that, you can follow these steps. You simply need to tap on the profile icon in the top left corner, and from there you can simply select account settings from the menu. And before switching accounts, it's crucial to bind your current account to avoid losing progress. So you can bind it using Moonton account, Google Play, Apple ID, Facebook or TikTok. To do this, just tap bind account and choose your preferred method and complete the setup. And now to switch to a different account, just follow these steps. In account settings, tap on switch account. After that, choose the platform linked to your other account like Moonton, Google, Facebook, Apple ID or TikTok. And after choosing it, you can simply log in with the credential of your account that you want to switch to. And the game may restart after switching accounts, so don't worry if it takes a few seconds. And after that, you can simply tap on login and a confirmation message will pop out from there, which you simply have to tap on OK. And a pop-up menu will appear asking if you want to switch account and exit the game. Simply tap on OK, and after that the game will restart switching your accounts. So once you have switched account, you can double check your profile to make sure that you are logged in into the correct one. And now you are ready to start playing from your new account. And that's how you can switch accounts on Mobile Legends. If this video helped you out, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.